Baked Liquid Radiance Foundation is created in 3 steps. We sprayed and rolled pigments with our almond oil to create a very smooth texture. We lay them down in terracotta tile and we put everything into the oven. After 12 hours, we break the pigments and then they're put into this massive jet milling machine that spins the pigments around in a very high speed to make them as creamy as possible. We create this amazing liquid that contains water and essential oils and ingredients that truly moisturize the skin. We take the both phases together, we mix it to create the most flawless, even foundation that provides high coverage, long wear, color correcting pigments, and it's amazingly comfortable on the skin.